Hello my dear family members, if you are preparing for Accenture technical assessment or cognitive assessment and if you want to know about the latest pattern questions and what are the real questions they are asking, then this video is for you. Now let me share the questions. Just before that guys, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please make sure that you have subscribed and like this video. Comment down which content you want more. If you want me to upload gamified questions or technical MCQs or cognitive or anything, then let me know. I'll make more videos on those. Okay, now before that I want you to know about the very important thing, that is the latest pattern includes these. So if you want to know about the technical MCQ questions, you have to know what are the important chapters. Okay, common application and MS Office, pseudo codes and fundamentals of networking, security and cloud, then computer science. So these four chapters, four sections includes in the technical part. Now let me more clarify what are the important chapters for the computer science. Now we'll discuss about the computer networking and security and computer science. These two chapter sections will includes in this video. Just wait and watch this video till the end. So moreover, from both of these sections you'll have almost 15 questions, so please give importance to this video. Now let me share the questions. Just before that guys, I want you to know that we have already included the latest updated questions with answers like SQL questions, web-based questions and coding questions, backend, and also interview experience, mock test, etc, etc. All things are included and updated. It will keep updating. You will get instant access and unlimited access. You can see the feedback of students provided below. You can see the recent candidate who has passed the exam and she is now preparing for the communication assessment. Okay, so you can also prepare to that and get the opportunity. You will get all of these like previous year questions, aptitude preparations. So you will not need that, but cloud and networking, security, MS Office, pseudo codes, then communication round, interview preparations, combined chapters, and all of these like recent questions with answers, all of these are included like gamified round questions, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, practice SQL, all previous year questions, Accenture frontend sample, frontend, backend, game Accenture. So all of these are included. Thousands are preparing through these materials, so please go through that topmain.is/technon.kf. You will get the opportunity. Hopefully you will crack the Accenture assessment. Let's go to the questions. So what will be the correct answer in this case? Which of the following email protocol allows you to access your email wherever you are? So IMAP, FTP, SMTP, or POP? Okay, so let me answer the question. That is IMAP. Why? Because like you can say for email this is SMTP, right? But no, let me just answer this. Yeah, so for email, yeah, as you can see here, for IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol allows users to access their email from any device because the emails are stored on the server. Okay, basically this term is very important. Okay, this term like send, here they have mentioned the term that is access. Okay, so the key terminology is it is to be notified, is to be remembered. Okay, there is access here, and sometimes they'll say send. Okay, file. These are the important like key point. Okay, so here they are telling about accessibility of your mail. That is why the answer will be IMAP. So as you can see, the function of IMAP is allows users to access their emails from any device because the emails are stored on the server. And if this is SMTP, like simple mail transfer protocol, then it is used to send emails, not access them. Okay, this is different between IMAP and SMTP, like Internet Message Access Protocol and simple mail transfer protocol. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let's discuss FTP and POP in the next. Okay, so let me go to the next question. So the next question is here. So let me just tick on IMAP. Okay, so this is the right answer. Okay, so let me go to the next question. So the next question, sorry, the next question is in your screen. So please pause the video and give me the answer in the comment section. Which of the following protocol is used to send an email from a client to mail server? HTTP, POP, SMTP, or FTP? Guys, I am not joking. These are the questions which are asked on 28th of October 2024. Okay, 28th, like let me take the pen. 28th of October 2024 these questions were asked. Okay, and like not only in this exam, but these questions are repeated from the earlier pada questions, like on July, on August, like on July and on June there was exam regarding pada, and there also these same questions were asked, and like similar questions were asked already, like what is the full form of HTTP. This is very simple question, still they have asked this. Okay, and also they have asked what is the protocol, like what is the port number for particular protocol. Okay, so these are the important thing, like you can remember. Okay, I have already explained this in our separate video, so please watch the playlist regarding cloud and networking, it will help you a lot. Okay, so in this case what will be the correct answer? So for sending mail, this is important. Okay, so I have already told you that for sending mail the protocol will be SMTP. Guys, I am giving you one quiz question. Before that, let me explain this thing. Like for POP, that is post office protocol, it allows emails to be downloaded and viewed offline. Okay, this is the main thing. Like synchronization, this is the key terminology. Okay, synchronization, this is the key terminology which will be which will be signed with POP. Okay, whenever you will see like synchronization, just align with POP. Okay, then FTP, this is file transfer protocol. Whenever you will see transferring files related things, then FTP will be there with you. Okay, so let me discuss this. Yeah, already have discussed this. Like only HTTP we are remaining with. So used like HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, it is used for accessing and transferring web pages on the internet. So there are various protocols present. Okay, HTTP, SMTP, POP, FTP, and various things. So I am giving you like one quick question: what is the full form of HTTPS? So please give the answer in the comment section. I love it. Okay, so let's check your, like I'm not like giving you I'm normal quiz question. Okay, this is what already asked in the exam. Okay, HTTPS full form. So please give the answer in the comment section. I love it. Okay, so let me go to the next question. So the next question is, guys, here the question's answer is SMTP. Okay, so let me go to the next question. That is, which of the following layer of the OSI model organizes bits into frames? So please give the answer in the comment section. And this is what very important, that is OSI model. Okay, guys, again I'm requesting you, if you don't know about OSI model and if you need more clarification on these, then please watch the playlist regarding Accenture cloud and networking. This will help you a lot to understand about OSI model, TCP IP models, and like all the viruses, applications, and MS Office, etc, anything. Okay, firewall, and all the things are there which are important for Accenture. So please watch those. Okay, so here what will be the answer? So which of the following layer of the OSI model organizes bits into frames? That is data link layer. Okay, data link layer. So let me just discuss all those things one by one. Okay, so as you can see here, data link layer is responsible for what? Organizing bits into frames and managing error checking in the OSI model. Basically bits related. Okay, organizing bits, this is data link layer. Physical layer is dealing with the physical transmission of data. Okay, and network layer is useful for handling routing. Okay, this is that key terminology for network layer, that is routing. Okay, routing, just important thing you have to remember, that is bits is related to data link layer, physical layer is related to physical transmission of data, and network layer is important for routing, and transport layer, what it does, that is it divides the data into multiple segments. Okay, multiple segments, then it transfer the data and reassemble the data. Okay, so this is what the transport layer does, that is manage end-to-end communication this way. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let's just go to the next question. So the next question is, Okay guys, let me give you one quiz question from that question as well. So let me just give you the question, that is, what is the function of session layer? Okay, please give the answer in the comment section. I'll love to give you a heart. So what will be the function of session layer? Okay, so the next question is this one: which of the following AWS product is used for computing? Glacier, S3, EC2 or VPC? So here, what will be the correct answer? So in this case, the correct answer will be which of the following AWS product is used for computing. So computing purpose is like EC2 will be the best option. Okay. So let me just discuss all those things. So sorry. So EC2, that is Elastic Compute Cloud, obviously. So Amazon's cloud computing platform that provides virtual servers for running applications. Okay. So mainly for computing purpose, we use EC2. Okay, that is Elastic Compute Cloud. If we know the full form, then we can answer this. And Glacier is used for archival storage, and S3, that is simple storage service, also for scalable storage, and VPC, that is virtual private cloud. It is not important to know that. Okay, so let me go to the next question. So the next question is, which of the following type of blobs are used for frequent read or write operations? Append blobs, block blobs, page blobs, or all of the mentioned options? Which of the option will be correct? Please give the answer in the comment section. Okay, so let me give the answer in the comment, like already here. So option C will be the, sorry, option B will be the correct answer, block blobs. Okay, all those are storage related, so let me explain those one by one. So yeah, so as you can see, block blobs, this is suitable for frequent read and write operations. Okay, and append blobs, this is optimized for append operations. Okay, append operations like such as logging. Okay, and page blobs, this is useful for random read or write operation, ideal for virtual disk. Okay, there is similarities between page blobs and block blobs, but still this is for random read or write, and this is frequent read or write. Okay, so this is the important thing you have to know. Okay, so let me go to the next question. So the next question, so here guys, block blobs will be the correct option. Okay, this is the important key terminology, that is frequent read write. Okay, frequent read or write, and for random read or write, this is not the correct answer. Okay, so let me go to the next question, that is this: which of the following is an example of SaaS? Dropbox, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. Which of the following will be the correct answer? Okay, so let me answer that. Dropbox, yes, this is a SaaS platform, that is software as a service. Microsoft Teams, yes, this is also. And Zoom, yes, this is also a SaaS platform. So basically all those are like SaaS platform. All of the mentioned is the correct option. So let me give you one quick question, that is pass. What is the full form of pass? What is the full form of fast? Guys, this is the actual question I have been giving you right now, that is, what is the full form of fast, and what is the full form of pass, what is the full form of IaaS? These are already asked, you know these. Okay, still for making me more motivated, you can give the answer because these are already asked. So you can practice those by commenting, and also by commenting you can motivate me. Okay, so and also give me one example of PaaS platform. Give me one example of IaaS platform, that is infrastructure as a service. So please give the like platform. Okay, so let me go to the next question. Sorry. So the next question is this: the given statement defines which of the following characteristic of cloud computing? Cloud computing allows organizations to access on-demand cloud-based computing solutions according to the change of business needs. So this is the statement. Okay. Question is, the given statement defines which of the following characteristic of cloud computing? service oriented architecture, grid computing, or utility computing, or virtualization? So give me the answer in the comment section, guys. So let me just give the answer. That is utility computing. Okay, let me just skip the explanation. Okay, so let me go to the next question. That is the network ID in class C IP address is how many bits long? 16, 32, 8, or 24? So please give the answer in the comment section, guys. Okay, so actually in this case the correct answer will be 24 in the network ID in class C IP address. Okay, so I'm giving you some information. All these are like question. Okay, like as you know, the class A range is from 0 to 127. Then class B range is from 128 to 191, and class C range is from 192 to 120 23. Then class D present from one like range is 124 to 139, and rest of the thing are E. Okay, so here as you can see the count of bits in class C, that is 192 to 123, that is what 23 plus 23 plus here 8, sorry 9. Okay, so that means total 32 bits are there in class C. Okay, total 32 bits in class C. So among these 32 bits there are some network ID and some other IDs are present. So 24 are network ID. Okay, and the 8 bits are what? Let me just check that. So yeah, okay, the remaining bits are for host ID. Sorry, I forgot that. So the 8 bits are for host ID. Okay, host ID 8 and network ID 24. Okay, that is what 32, and it is the class C total bits. Okay, so let me go to the next question. That is, sorry, this one, guys. So the performance of a network can be measured in terms of delay, throughput, reliability, or all of the above. So guys, please keep the answer in the comment section. This will be very much helpful for you only, guys. So if you know, then it's fine. If you don't know, it's also fine, but be prepared for that. Okay, so actually here the correct answer will be option sorry, option A will be the correct answer. Okay, so let me just skip the explanation. So before that, yeah, like I'll go to the like coding part right now. So before that, let me just introduce our prime materials again. If you want the prime materials, then please DM me at our Insta ID instagram.com/taker.uf. You will get it, all the previous year questions, all the cloud based questions, all technical like pseudo code, cloud, networking, and all the stuffs are there with mock test, and all repeated coding questions are also present. So if you want them, then please DM me at my Insta ID. So the coding questions, let me share that. So basically the coding questions are repeated. Okay, and this is not a surprising case. And the first coding questions and second coding questions I have already shared on the examination day itself. So today let me just share the remaining coding questions, that is regarding a rebound height. Okay, first one is the rebound height. Okay, and this was asked on campus, this was asked on off campus. So that's why I'm telling you that it doesn't matter which role you are applying for, which like it is, if it is on campus or off campus, it doesn't matter. Okay, it will come, and even in which platform they are conducting, it doesn't matter. Okay, actually Accenture will feed them what questions should they display. Okay, so that's what you have to remember. So off campus or on campus doesn't matter. So this was asked
on both. Okay, rebound height, basically you'll be having some data, let's say age. Okay, you'll be having some data age, v and vm. Okay, you have to just implement one formula, let's say e is equal to e to the power n by v, and then h dash will be is equal to let's say e by v. This way just you have to implement one formula, nothing else. Okay, in this question rebound height. So then the next question, let me share that. Guys, please give the answer in the comment section. Like if you know how to solve these rebound height questions, then please give the answer, like coding questions in your convenient language. Okay, so actually I have already solved this multiple times in the playlist, it is available, so please watch those, and you can also get the pdf from our prime materials. Okay, so the next question was regarding file version. Okay, file version, and this is the advanced coding questions, I think. So file version was something like, in a, like you'll be given one array. Here it will be mentioned like it is file 1, it is file 2, and let's say it is file 3. So in array you'll be having some arrays, some, let's say here it is file 3, here it is file 2. Okay, in array you'll be having some file version name. Okay, file version name, it is file 1 version, it is file 3 version, it is file 2 version. So you have to calculate like which one is the latest, which one is the latest file. So that means file 3 is the latest updated version, so you have to return this one. So how will you do that? You have to store, let's say string a. So at first you are going through all the elements of the array using for loop. Okay, in each iteration you are getting the latest element, the current element. Okay, let's say string a is equal to array I, that is, let's say the at first the first element. Okay, it's stored here, and here you can like grab the last element using various functions, use those. Okay, you can get the last element. Whenever you face, you will see that it is highest, it is highest. So compare that, whichever is the maximum, store that and return at the end. Okay, so I hope you understood what the task is. So here actually file 3 will be the output. So I hope you understood why file 3, because this is the latest version. So please give the answer in the comment section, in Python, in Java. Hope you will give, guys. So these are all I had to share with you guys today. So please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any component that you want. Like it can help many other as well. So please share this. Okay, so thank you for the decision.